Everyone's crazy about carrot flake cake after this brilliant idea. In a bowl, start by adding 2 cups of flakes, then a cup of water. Mix it well and let it hydrate for about 10 minutes. Now in a blender, add 200 g carrots, 3 eggs, 100 milliliters milk, 1 cup sugar and 1/2 cup oil. Cover it tightly and blend everything together. After blending, this is the perfect consistency. Now pour everything into our bowl with the hydrated flakes. Once done, mix it all together thoroughly. Add a tablespoon of baking powder and mix again. It should now have this consistency. Now transfer everything to a greased and floured pan. Bake at 130 degrees for 40 minutes. This will be the perfect baking time. Now just unmold onto a plate, slice, and enjoy. Look how incredible this cake turns out, folks. Make it at home. I'm sure everyone will love it. If you prefer, you can add some chocolate sauce on top. It's up to your taste. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. This was another recipe from Pobre na Cocina. Big hugs. See you next time and thanks a lot.